Welcome. I'm Dina and this is your 10 minutes non-sleep deep rest midday reset. Find a comfortable position lying down or sitting if you prefer. Allow your eyes to close gently. This is your time to pause, recharge, and return to your day refreshed. Take a deep inhale through the nose and a soft exhale through the mouth. Let's begin. Bring your awareness to the breath. Notice the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. With each breath out, allow the body to soften, as if you are melting into the surface beneath you. There is nothing to do, nowhere to go, just this moment of rest. Now imagine a gentle beam of light like a small flashlight. We will move this light slowly through the body, bringing awareness and ease. Start at the right foot. Shine the light on your toes, the sole, the heel, up through the ankle, calf, knee, thigh, and hip. Your entire right leg now feels soft and heavy. Shift the light to the left foot, toes, sole, heel, ankle, calf, knee, thigh, hip. The whole left leg is now at ease. Bring the light to the pelvis and lower back. Soften here. Move it up through the abdomen and chest, releasing tension. Let the heart area feel spacious, light, open. Now the right hand, each finger, the palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Let it rest. The left hand, each finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, and shoulder. Let it rest. Shine the light up the neck, throat, jaw, lips, cheeks, eyes, forehead, scalp. Your whole head is at ease. And now Now see the entire body glowing softly in this light, deeply relaxed. Feel the rhythm of your breath once more. Imagine with each exhale that a wave of calm spreads through the body. Exhale and release. Exhale and soften. Exhale and rest more deeply. If thoughts come, let them drift away like clouds in the sky. You are simply here, resting. Bring now your awareness to your whole body, from head to toes, resting as one. Notice the calmness that now fills you. Take a slightly deeper inhale in and sigh it out. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. You have just completed a 10-minute non-sleep deep rest midday reset. Carry this renewed clarity and energy with you into the rest of your day. Namaste.